Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create a personal bill payment tracker in Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide, so buckle up. First off, let's create a new base in Airtable. To do this, click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This is our starting point where we'll build our tracker. Creating a new base ensures we have a clean and organized space to work with. Now that we've done that, we'll add a table to our base. Click Add Table, then rename it something like Bills. This is where we'll list all our bills. A well-organized table is key to keeping track of your payments and ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Next, let's add some fields to our table. We'll need fields for bill, due date, amount, and paid. To add a field, click on plus, type the field name, and select the appropriate field type. For due date and paid, we'll use date and checkbox field types. This customization helps us record all necessary information about our bills and track payments effectively. Now, let's add some records. Click on the plus Add a Record button and start listing your bills. For each bill, fill in the due date and amount. Check off paid once you've made a payment. This helps us because it gives us a clear picture of our payment status and upcoming due dates. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Airtable is storing all this data and presenting it to you in an easy-to-read, sortable format. Lastly, let's create a view to filter unpaid bills. Click on Add View, select Grid View, and name it Unpaid Bills. Then add a filter where paid is unchecked. This is crucial as it allows you to focus on unpaid bills and prioritize your payments. And there you have it. Your personal bill payment tracker in Airtable is all set up. With this system, you'll never miss a payment again. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.